What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, removing this old crappy ugly third brake light. I'm going to be installing this new third brake light that I bought. Let's jump on in it. You're going to need to get out the two Phillips screws that hold the existing old ugly light. Alright, got that out. Now you just gotta turn and take out the three bulbs. These ones are pretty old and busted up. The housing for the light bulb, seen better days. See, it's cracked and they just come out. Oh, these ones are just falling out, but you do turn them, turn it a half a turn to get them out, unless yours are like mine, then you can just basically pull them out. Got some treasure in there. Now let's open up this new one. Pretty. Hopefully there's a plug I can get to. Wow, just installed that light. The third brake light I'm trying to install. It has a connector over on the end of it. And the connector to it, I can't pull it out from the outside. So I had to come in here. I had to take apart the A-pillar, take off my old shit handle. I had to loosen up everything, take all that off, take the light out. Got it all around from this weather stripping crap. Took this out, took this seat belt out. Still couldn't pop this out all the way, but I just held it down until I could get this past it. And then that's where the connector is way back there. Well, in the center, but still back there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that, pull the old one out, slide the new one in, connect it back up, see how she looks. Got it out. Now this rubber piece that goes in to seal up the hole, this new one that I bought has one, so that'll work. Gotta use your old screws, so I'm gonna take them out. Alright, got the drill out. Tired of playing with the screwdriver. Got the old screws out, put the new ones in here. Looks pretty good. And go ahead, plug it in. There you go. That's how that looks. Hopefully you can see it okay in the daytime. Let me go ahead and I'll touch the brake just so you can see how that looks. Alright, well, there you have it. Got the new third brake light installed. I think it looks pretty good. I'll wait until later on tonight and I'll get a little clip or a picture to throw in of what it looks like at nighttime. Because then it'd be easier to tell. It's daytime right now, probably about 5:30, 6 o'clock. So I mean, I can tell, I can see it, and that's the way it'll look for the doors being open. I like it. I think it looks nice. I'll put in the description where I got this from for my F-150. It is on Amazon. I think it's like 21 bucks. It's a lot better than this crap. I mean, for 20 bucks, come on. That looks a lot nicer, I think. A lot cleaner. I'm gonna eventually get taillights and headlights for it. Now I gotta go ahead and install all this crap again. It is a lot just to get to it, but I mean, it took me maybe 15 minutes to get all this out. It'll probably take me 5-10 minutes to put it all back in, so it's not too bad. But I've taken some things out before, you know, for like the OSHA handles that I installed, stuff like that. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos if you haven't already. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Till next time. Peace.